Hey, welcome to Grandpa Sees the Blinking. Please don't take anything Grandpa says as financial advice. And if you would, please like, share, and subscribe. Grandpa is not a financial planner. So, Golden Cross in the 5 minute chart. We're looking at it right here. Uh, so far, it has given us 229.30 to 230.99. I think it'll give us a little bit more here. Will we bounce straight up in the morning? You know, anywhere from $3 to $12 is very common with it. So it will be fun to see what we do. 229 would give me 232 at a minimum. I think we're going to possibly break through that 233 today. May see 235, 237. Nobody knows for sure. Nobody. Um, we're going to open probably about 30 cents below the current price right now of 230.10 at 229.75 is where Grandpa calculated and figure we're going to open on Monday. Keep in mind that after this Golden Cross plays out, we will be looking for a Death Cross next. And I want to show you something here real quick in the 1 minute chart. We just got a Death Cross right here. And it hit at 230 area, 230.10, and it went down in the 1 minute. Well, what price did it hit at? Yeah, 230.10, and all it gave us was 15 cents. Is that right? So we're conflicted with signals on our Death Cross in the 1 minute and the 5 minute currently. So it tells Grandpa we're moving sideways. I don't know where we're going there. Okay, also on Wednesday, the Fed rate, Powell's going to either cut rates, not cut rates. He's going to talk, scare us all to death, or make us happy. I expect wild volatility. I actually expect choppy trade Monday, Tuesday as we come into it. And I'll guarantee you one thing: the big money people already know what he's going to do. I'll guarantee that much. Is he going to give us 25 basis points? How will that affect the market if that's what we get? The chances of a 50 basis point have increased quite a bit over the last few days. But they're still leaning towards the 25%. And what will be, will be. We just got to be ready to be on the right side of it, whatever they do with our candles, our reverse engulfing method, and that's the way it is. So whatever they throw at us, the more movement we can get, in Grandpa's opinion, and the happier I'll be. Okay, so Grandpa put in his heading, "Pride cometh before a fall." Pride cometh before a fall. And Grandpa, that's something Grandpa has continually struggled with through his whole life. You get pride. And every single time without fail. And I think if you think about this really relates to your trading and your life in general. Pride cometh before a fall. And the fall, when you fall, hopefully you're smart enough to get humble and look for the Lord again in a quick hurry. And also, all good things are from the Lord. All good things are from the Lord. Can doing good trading be considered a good thing and from the Lord? Absolutely. But possibly making a huge or small mistake, whether in trading or in daily life, can often end up being a good thing and from the Lord. The lesson, Grandpa is not perfect. That's the lesson. However, the Lord is perfect, and He can and will make things that don't seem good to us at the time turn into good. Pride cometh before a fall. As Grandpa does well trading day after day, and the buy and sell signals fall into place for everyone, it's easy to think we are doing it and forget that it's a gift from God. Pride steps in, and then comes the fall. Maybe it's something as silly as pushing the sell button on a buy signal. Maybe it's reading the candles wrong. These are examples of something that should humble us, and that and that will bring us closer to God. It's His way of reminding us to give the credit, good or bad, to the one who deserves the credit. Always, always remember, Grandpa is not perfect. And even if I give everyone the right signals, doesn't mean they will win. That's a fact. It's a fact for Grandpa. Grandpa can know the right signals and mess it up. Simply, I did it last week one time. Sold all my positions. I was going the right way, and inadvertently and unintentionally sold all my positions. It's so easy to think you got everything going your way, and in a split second it's gone. And Grandpa got a good dose of humble on Friday. Messed up on 2 candle signals, and I got a good dose of humble on Friday, and I deserved it. Grandpa was getting prideful. Easy to do when you have been batting 1,000 for a while. Yep, pride cometh before a fall. It's in your Bible. It says that God warns us all these things. Pride cometh before a fall, and all good things are from the Lord. Hey, see you Monday about 9:15 Eastern, and think about eternity once in a while. Grandpa does.